How to find international buyers. So you have decided to go international, but you don't know what to do next. Today I'm here to share some tips that help me out big time. First things first, know your stuff. You gotta be able to answer any question a buyer throws your way about your product. Next, let's find your dream audience. Research countries where your goods shine. Extensive online research is the key here. The US Census Bureau has very good information. Now get digital. Imagine B2B portals as your online marketplace. Register in your target countries, list your product, and make sure all your information is complete. Building connections is key. Chambers of commerce, industry associations. Reach out, share your product details, and ask for leads. Now, face-to-face is powerful. It's still on fashion. So trade fairs, events, and exhibitions are the key here. Network, connect, and show buyers what you are made of. Don't forget, export promotion councils and chambers in the country can help you find these events. And last, social media magic. LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook groups. Join them, promote your product, and connect. Now, let me know what you think. B2B portals or social media groups? Where's the best place to find your buyers? Comment and let us know. Please follow me. I usually talk about international logistics, import and export, and dangerous goods. See you soon.